Okay, example 1. Find the area of this figure. All angles are right angles. Dimensions are in centimeters. Now what we have here is a rectangle with a rectangle cut out of it. Okay, that's one way of looking at it. So if we look at it that way, we can kind of extend this side out here like so. Extend that down like so. We got the whole big rectangle. We subtract this piece away and we can figure it out.
Wait,
What's wrong, Parker?
can't you just draw like a dotted line, making there be two rectangles?
That would be the other way. That's the way I would probably do it myself. So let's go this route, like Parker suggested. Let's draw it
downward though.
Well, I'm going to do that one because I already drew it. Okay, so if I draw that dotted line across, notice that this is a rectangle here. And then we have a second rectangle here. And both those rectangles have area. If I find the area of both those rectangles, add the two areas together, that's the area of the entire shape. Okay, basically what you want to do with area in this book is break things into rectangles or triangles or circles. Okay, that's the three figures that you need to know area formulas for, basically. All right, now, the one trick to this problem, and it's not even a trick, but it's something to be careful of, is when you look at the rectangles you create, you want to find out the lengths of the sides of those rectangles, okay? If you take a look, this blue rectangle's sides are 2 and 3, not 5. Okay, I've seen people use the 2 and the 5, but 5 is the entire length. We're stopping here at this point, so we're only going to use the 3 and the 2. So the area of the blue rectangle, I'll put A sub B, is going to be 2 times 3, which equals 6. And then looking at the red rectangle, again, looking at the length of the entire sides, 2 is the width here, right? What's the length?
6.
Period 6. This is only part of it. This is all of it. So you need to make sure you get the entire length, not just part of the length. So the area of the red rectangle is going to be 6 times 2, which is 12. And then the area of the entire figure is simply the sum of the two areas. 6 plus 12 is 18. It says dimensions are in centimeters, so it's going to be centimeters squared. So piecing figures together will be something that happens quite often in this book. So break it up into figures that you can find areas of, preferably rectangles, triangles, circles, or semicircles. And then find each area individually, add them all up. Going the other route, just real quick to show you what would have happened had I gone with this route here. The area of the entire rectangle, which would be all of that, will be 5 times 6, right?
Yep.
And the area of the green part is 3 by 4. That also works. Big rectangle minus what gets cut out, or piece together two rectangles, add them up, take your pick. Either way you do it, you get the right answer, but use the correct dimensions when you're figuring out area.